Yas queen!
Yeah.
Hello, my gorgeous, beautiful, wonderful queen bees. It is your girl Amanda, the buzzed artist. Welcome back to my channel, a place where you can let loose and just have fun with your acrylic paint. People, we're going to be continuing our exploration of the pop art version of the famous monsters of Halloween. This week, we're going to be doing the Bride of Frankenstein. She's all drama, and I love how her hair is just always electrifying. Grab your brushes and grab your paints and get ready for a spooky old time. Alright, my queen bee, so I already have a SketchUp of the Bride of Frankenstein already done here, and I've done a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this on my Patreon page, so if you're interested to see what that looks like, consider becoming a patron so that you can not only get access to this tutorial, but other exclusive tutorials I'll be putting out onto my Patreon page, and plus you can get other awesome perks like being part of a monthly raffle where I give away paintings that we've done on this channel. That's kind of cool, right? So if you want to see that step-by-step drawing tutorial, please be sure to check it out in the description below. Back to the show. Okay, next we're gonna grab our good old Sharpie and do some line work. Shook! Oh, I love her. Oh, that looks so good. I can't. Alright, we're gonna do her cheekbone and we're done. Oh my god, I love this. God. I think we're ready for some painting. Let's get painting. Not gonna lie, it looks like a tube of toothpaste just threw up all over this painting. But we press onwards. You ever run into that issue when you are mixing a color like changes, like in one space it looks a little yellow, and another space it looks a little white because it dragged from the brush because it wasn't properly mixed together? I'm back from my mental breakdown. Let's get back to that line work. So I started doing a little bit of the stitches. We keep going. I'm gonna try a little experiment and see how it turns out. So I got me just an old tube of white titanium paint, and I'm just gonna lay it down on here. I hope this works. Here we go. I'm gonna do a scrape. Oh, pray for me. Okay, here we go. Oh! What? freaking cool. That came out way better than I thought it would.
It is finished!
Congratulations, my queen bees, on making your very own Bride of Frankenstein. This came out super cool. Although I did have my doubts during the process, I'm really happy with how it came out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please be sure to give it a like and to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, you know what to do, so you can see more fun pop art inspired Halloween fall paintings, art tutorials, and so many other fun things on this channel. Remember, love yourselves and always have fun with your acrylic paint. I'll see you all next week with another spooky tutorial. See you all next time. Bye!